Top 5 Best Wireless Presentation System. Number 5. Kramer VIA GO2. Kramer VIA GO2 makes meetings feel less like tech puzzles and more like, well, meetings. Plug it into your corporate network and suddenly, screen sharing is wireless, sleek, and refreshingly easy. No more hunting for adapters or asking if the HDMI cable is the good one. Just connect to Wi-Fi, punch in the code, and you're in. It plays nice with Miracast, AirPlay, Windows, Mac, Chrome OS, Android, and iOS, basically everything short of a fax machine. Want guests to join? There's a built-in Wi-Fi mode for that. 2 people can share screens at once, and the Do Not Disturb feature keeps surprise pop-ins from turning the conference room into chaos. Security's no joke either. Tailsin 24-bit encryption says no thanks to eavesdroppers. For old-school folks who miss physical buttons, optional VIA pads offer tactile nostalgia. One catch, IT needs to know their stuff. If the network isn't segmented right, expect hiccups. And the more users jump in, the hungrier the system gets for bandwidth. It's compact, clever, and takes the pain out of presentations, unless someone still insists on printing slides. Coming in number 4. OREI Wireless 1x10 1080p HDMI transmitter. One of those rare tech finds that actually does what it promises, and does it with zero drama. Streaming full HD 1080p up to 100 feet without laying a single HDMI cable feels like the kind of magic only tech nerds and exhausted presenters can truly appreciate. Just don't expect it to work through walls. This device is strictly a line-of-sight kind of operator. Setup is almost insultingly simple. Plug it in, power it up, and the signal just works. No drivers, no software tantrums. Want to switch between devices? Each transmitter has its own button. Click and switch. That's it. No crawling under desks or yanking cables out of the back of a monitor. It also plays nicely with both HDMI and VGA displays, so even that dusty old office projector isn't left behind. Latency stays low, about 0.2 seconds, which means smooth streaming unless you're gaming or syncing lip movements for a live opera. The only nudge? No USB power adapters for the transmitter cables. But if your drawer isn't already overflowing with those, are you even living in 2025? For boardrooms, classrooms, or lazy couch setups, this little guy punches well above its weight. Coming in number 3. Barco ClickShare CSE-200. Barco ClickShare CSE-200 transforms chaotic meetings into seamless collaboration. Built for high-stakes boardrooms and large conference spaces, this system allows up to 8 users to share content simultaneously, without ever touching a cable. Dual HDMI inputs and outputs support full 4K DCI resolution, driving 2 displays from one unit like it's nothing. ClickShare button plugs into any PC or Mac and puts the screen up in seconds. Mobile devices get in via AirPlay, Google Cast, or the ClickShare app. Moderation mode ensures screen switching doesn't turn into visual whiplash, letting a lead control what shows and when. Touchback support gives users full laptop control from the touchscreen itself. 2 Ethernet ports allow isolated guest and corporate network access, keeping IT managers happy and firewalls intact. 3 security levels adapt to any company policy. Add blackboarding, annotation, and USB 3.0 across the front and back, and you've got a device that makes meetings productive instead of painful. Designed to work hand in glove with Barco Unici walls, this isn't just a presentation tool, it's a collaboration engine. When people need to create, decide, and move fast, CSE-200 doesn't just keep up, it leads. Coming in number 2. Barco CSE-200. Barco CSE-200 brings calm to meeting chaos. In small and mid-sized rooms where wires once tangled and tech stalls stole time, this wireless system clears the path for instant collaboration. No setup, no delays, just plug in the ClickShare button and click. That's it. 2 users can share their screens at once, and up to 16 devices can stay connected in the background. Whether using a laptop, tablet, or phone, content flows straight to the main display with zero friction. AirPlay is on board, and the ClickShare app handles mobile with ease. Security isn't an afterthought. 3 levels let IT teams align with corporate standards, while the API opens doors for network integration and centralized control. Guests feel at home instantly, no manual needed. Meetings run smoother, faster, and with fewer awkward tech hiccups. Updates roll in regularly, keeping features fresh. For teams tired of fumbling with HDMI cables and can you see my screen moments, CSE-200 is a quiet revolution. one click at a time. Coming in number 1. BenQ InstaShow WDC10 Wireless Presentation. The kind of gear that makes tangled HDMI cables feel like ancient relics. Designed for instant collaboration, it skips the apps, drivers, and IT tickets. Just plug the button into a laptop, press once, and content appears on the screen like magic. Perfect for huddle rooms and guest-heavy meetings, the system comes with 2 buttons and a base unit that connects to any display via HDMI. No Wi-Fi networks to join, no passwords, no setup headaches. The button gets power from USB, and there's a dedicated mode switch to optimize for smooth video or crisp presentations. Security isn't a footnote. AES 128-bit encryption and WPA2 keep snooping out. Up to 16 buttons can pair with one receiver, making it easy to pass control between presenters without awkward cable swaps or software juggling. Build quality feels premium with a brushed metal dock for keeping adapters tidy. LED indicators make pairing clear. Green for ready, blue for streaming, red for not ready. The system even includes mounting options and works flawlessly with HDMI or USB-C via optional model. From unboxing to presenting takes less than 5 minutes. In rooms where speed, security, and simplicity matter, WDC10 is a quiet powerhouse in a sleek suit.